Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Can't wait for them to get here so we could talk social media, the Facebook, TikTok. They didn't finish the floor tile last night because my guess is they want this to set to work on the edge and maybe get started on the shower. Quesadilla today. The floor is almost done. I want to mention again that I love Habitat for Humanity. I ended up paying $10 a box for these, so $60 total. That price just can't be beat. Gerson taking lunch. He's using these Lash clips. Floor is all done. We'll see what he works on next. GR is here, they're killing it. This is the trim we're using, pretty standard aluminum, satin, silver, some sort of brushed nickel look. Good morning. Everybody left last night. There's definitely not enough content to make this its own video because they just barely started on the shower. I'm really liking that tile and that tile color match. Let's wait for them to get here. Gerson wanted tacos today. He just finished cutting the first couple of pieces and they should be going in soon. I just got back from work. It is looking really good. He finished lunch. I want to mention that I love Habitat for Humanity again. Each of these boxes were $7. Such a good deal. GR is here, doing some filming, helping us out a little bit. Brought some fruit too. General Contractor is here. Let's go listen to what they're saying. Good morning. They're not quite done with the shower, but should be today. So gonna combine 3 days worth of video. Really happy with how everything is looking. Color on the floor is good. Color on the wall is good. Let's wait for them to get here. They wanted Hainan chicken and rice today. We got Gerson and Fredy helping us with finishing the shower tiles. They're mostly done with the wall. I'm gonna start working on the floor tile soon. We ran out of pieces for that little shampoo shelf. Luckily, the house did come with that piece, but I might put a gray one in there. We'll see what we end up with. GR is here. They got all the pieces cut and putting the mortar in. Everyone just left super happy with how it turned out. Definitely not straight and perfect in a few areas, but I understand I'm not paying a ton for this and it is a rush job. So cheap, fast, good, pick two, right? Video 305 done.